हॅलो, गुड इव्हनिंग. कसे आहात तुम्ही सगळे? अ, आपली जी फेसबुक लाईव्हची संवाद ही नव्या रूपातली सिरियल आपण कालपासून जी चालू केली आहे, तर आजचं दुसरं सेशन. आणि काल आपण मेंटल हेल्थ या विषयावरती वर्षाशी खूप छान गप्पा मारल्या. तिने खूप छान आपल्याला एक्सप्लेन केलं की तुमच्या मानसिक आरोग्याची काळजी कशी घ्यायची. आज त्यातला दुसरा भाग आपल्या या फेसबुक लाईव्ह सिरीजचा दुसरा भाग आपण घेतोय. आणि आजच्या ह्याच्यात भागामध्ये आपण फिजिकल हेल्थ हे आपण या विषयावर बोलणार आहोत. आणि ऑफकोर्स आपल्या ह्या पूर्ण पूर्ण फेसबुक लाईव्ह सिरीजचा मुख्य जो मूळ गाभा जो आहे तोच कोविड, लॉकडाऊन पिरियड, पोस्ट कोविड, आपल्या सगळ्या पूर्ण आयुष्यावर त्याचा कसा परिणाम झालेला आहे हा आपला मूळ विषय आहे. तर मेंटल हेल्थच्या सोबत ऑफकोर्स आजचा भाग आहे फिजिकल हेल्थ. आणि आजची आपली जी स्पीकर आहे डॉक्टर मंजू गुहागरकर. सगळ्यांची आपण सगळेच तिला आपल्या सोसायटीची सभासद म्हणून छान ओळखतोच. मंजू ही या नाव मंजू इज ऑनलाईन. हाय मंजू.
हाय.
हाय. आपण सगळेच मंजूला एक खूप छान आपली एक सोसायटीतली मैत्रीण आणि डेंटिस्ट म्हणून ओळखतो. पार्ल्यातली तिच्या फील्डमधली अतिशय प्रथितयश डेंटिस्ट आहे आणि शी स्पेशलायझेशन इन ओरल सर्जरी. 21 वर्षाचा मंजूचा अनुभव आहे, प्रॅक्टिस आहे तिची. आणि मंजूची पेशंट म्हणून मी तिला जे काही ऑब्झर्व केलं आहे मंजू ॲज अ डॉक्टर, तर मी तिचा एक छान तिच्यातली ट्रेट मी ऑब्झर्व केली आहे. जे तुम्ही तिच्याकडे पेशंट म्हणून जाताना ती खूप शांतपणे तुमच्याशी बोलते, तुम्हाला खूप छान जाऊन देते आणि अतिशय हळूवार हाताने ट्रीटमेंट करते. सो आधीच आपण डॉक्टरकडे जायचं, डेंटिस्टकडे जायचं या विचाराने घाबरलेलो असतो. पण दिस इज दी व्हेरी व्हेरी द वंडरफुल अँड इम्पॉर्टंट ट्रेट ऑफ डॉक्टर मंजू. सो पण
थँक्स फॉर द फॅन्टास्टिक इंट्रोडक्शन.
Thank you, Manju. My pleasure. So, मंजू, तुझ्याशी आज आपण गप्पा मारणार आहोत फिजिकल हेल्थ. ऑफकोर्स दी क्रक्स इज दी ऑर दी फोकल पॉइंट वुड बी कोविड, द इफेक्ट ऑफ कोविड ऑन अवर लाईफ. या तर एक पहिला प्रश्न विच इज व्हेरी व्हेरी ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चन. ह्या पूर्ण कोविड सिच्युएशन मध्ये जिथे सगळीकडे आपल्या आजूबाजूला इन्फेक्शन आहे, हाऊ टू टेक केअर ऑफ आवरसेल्फ?
राईट. प्रगती, बिफोर आय स्टार्ट, एक गोष्ट आहे की देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स टू टॉक अबाउट. आणि खूप काय गोष्टी वी हर्ड इन अदर प्लॅटफॉर्म्स, इन अदर सिच्युएशन्स, इवन नॉर्मली डाएट म्हणा, एक्सरसाइज म्हणा. सो टुडे आय विल स्किम ओव्हर दोज पार्ट्स and focus on things that are new to us today in this new world, a new way of living. How do we take care of those things that have been newly introduced to us? So I know COVID, quarantine, social distancing, सगळे 2020 चे the words आहेत. आणि I can understand the epidemic is widespread worldwide. The numbers are mind-boggling and media is going crazy. So there is always a little bit of fear, doubt, what to do, what not to do in all our minds. So the thing is, till we find medicines or a vaccine or herd immunity, we don't know what's going to happen. We are going to live with COVID. Okay, and the basic thing to take care of ourselves can come out of fear. Okay, or we could shift the context and come out of contribution. That's what I believe. की तुम्ही घाबरून स्वतःची काळजी घेऊ नका. So the context is this, that when you are taking care of yourself, okay, you are also taking care of, especially in this disease, you're taking care of your family, you're taking care of your neighbors, you're taking care of society, you're taking care of your locality, your senior citizens, your children. One person taking care of themselves is extended to taking care of the entire world, to be truthful. And that is such a brilliant and beautiful contribution that you can make to the society. So I feel that take care of yourself from this context rather than fear of contracting a disease. So when you talk about physical health, it's both mental and physical, and Varsha yesterday has beautifully taken us to the depths of mental health. So Physical health मध्ये the first of course is food, exercise, sleep and hygiene, personal and environmental hygiene. So food of course you eat a balanced diet. एक्सरसाइज आपलं होतोच, आपण झाडू पोछा करतो, कपडे वाळत घालतो, भांडी घासतो. नॅचरली वी आर हॅव्हिंग सम फिजिकल ऍक्टिव्हिटी वेदर वी लाईक इट ऑर नॉट. पण वी कुड ऑल्सो ऍड सम अमाऊंट ऑफ योगा टू इट किंवा स्ट्रेचेस, कारण आपण बाहेर पडू शकत नाही. सो घरी काय फ्लोर एक्सरसाइज, स्ट्रेचेस करू शकतो. प्राणायामचा फॅन्टॅस्टिक, कारण तुमची लंग कॅपॅसिटी वाढते. So maybe some breathing exercise, even simple Anulom Vilom, just keep increasing your lung capacity to breathe.
Okay.
And sleep well, rest well, more than sleep well, rest easy, be easy with things. Now, I will focus more on the hygiene part of it. Okay. So hygiene goes into environmental hygiene and personal hygiene. Environmental hygiene मध्ये आपण काय करतो? When we get groceries in, we wash the grocery packets. We wash vegetables either with a vegetable washing solution किंवा salt and turmeric मध्ये घालून मग we use vegetables. Okay. Personal hygiene, we dust all surfaces. We keep wiping doorbells म्हणा, door handles म्हणा, fridge handles which we keep touching on and off. These are all surfaces that need to be cleaned. But when you go into personal hygiene, you need to take care of your hand washing. Okay, constantly. We'll go more into details of that. You need to wash your legs when you come back home with soap, not just water. तुम्ही बाहेर नाही येत आहे. Change your clothes immediately. Take a bath. If it's a small outing, you change your clothes, wash your face, wash your feet, wash your hands with soap. If it's a long outing, please go have a bath. You know, maintain that kind of a social hygiene. Personal hygiene. And one of the most important things in all this is, we forget that we have two natural protectors with us, sunlight and air. Keep your windows open, ventilate your house, let the sunlight stream in. We are lucky, we've got ample amount of sunlight and heat. Let the air flow around your house. That itself is a natural protector. So these are basic things that you can do to take care of hygiene and personal health. Apart from this, in physical health, we need to look at people who have comorbidities. Comorbidities means people who have diseases that are pre-existing. So it could be diabetes, hypertension, asthma, the lung capacity is weak, cancer patients. So it could be anything. So these patients are, these group of people are more prone to, severe COVID infections. The recovery is a little slower in these patients. So the best part is you stay home, take your medicines well. Don't say, kai honar nahi. Take your medicines, control the disease that you have, especially in these months. Take care that your sugar doesn't go up. Take care that your BP is controlled. Be in touch with your family physician, and just take care of those comorbidities, and then you'll be okay. And finally, if you are sick, please take help. Don't wait. I know it's a stigma. I know, it's like, oh my God, kai zalay, kai nahi. But if you're sick, don't wait. Consult your doctor.
ओके. आता मंजू तू सांगितलंस की आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे वी वॉश अवर हँड्स आणि आपण ते करतोय. पण माय क्वेश्चन इज आपण ते खरंच नीट करतो का? तू डेमो देऊ शकशील हात कसे धुवायचे?
Hand washing. Okay. Okay. So if these are your hand surfaces. The surfaces that you need to take care of is the palm. You join them together. Ha ek surface hoto. Ha ek surface hoto. This is another surface. Then you have your webs between your fingers. So these 4 fingers, web from inside, web from outside. Okay. Then you have your thumb, this web. So this web from inside and outside. Okay. Then you have your fingertips.
Oh.
Okay. So you go below your fingertips, your wrist, and up to your elbow. Okay. So this should be your sequence. Now the thing that you need to take care of, please trim your nails. For a few months, it's okay if you don't have long nails, because these nails keep trapping germs and particles. Okay, so keep your nails trimmed so it's easier for you to clean. If you are wearing a ring and you can't remove it and you want to keep wearing it, when you're cleaning your hands, this ring should go off and then wash your hands. And this ring needs to be washed separately, especially the inner area. Again, if you're wearing a bangle, your bangle should go off. And this inner area, apart from the outer area, this inner area has to be clean. Watches, you need to figure out how to sanitize your watches. So water may not be an option, alcohol may not be an option. So would it be better to stay off watches for a few months? You need to think about it. So let me go through this. So when you take soap, this, okay, this, okay, back of your hand and your webs, back of your hand and webs, okay, your fingertips, your thumb web, okay, wrist, and up to your elbow, both hands, 20 seconds, and you're done. So this is how you go about hand wash.
So hand wash is a ritual, really, that we should follow.
It is.
It is. Okay.
It's like brushing your teeth.
या सो यंग जनरेशन आणि काही जे माझ्यासारखे फार घाई असते जन्मभर त्यांना लागलेली असं नाही करायचं. मंजूने सांगितलंय वॉश केला पाहिजे. दॅट इज अ मस्ट. दॅट वॉज रिअली अ युजफुल टिप मंजू. छोट्या गोष्टी असतात रोज करतो बट वी डोंट डू इट प्रॉपरली, हे सिद्ध झालं. माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी, आपण आता सध्या लॉकडाऊनमुळे घरात आहोत पण इव्हेंच्युअली वी विल गो आउट. कधी ना कधीतरी आपण बाहेर फिरणार आहोत. So how to ensure our physical safety when we go out?
Okay. So there are a couple of personal protection methods that you can employ, and we all know about it. So I'm just going to talk about it in a little detail. So what happens is when you go out, there are these 3 or 4 things that you need to follow. One is your mask. Okay, and I'll tell you why mask is important. Mask, then you need
I think Manju offline गेली आहे. शी इज ट्राइंग टू कनेक्ट. पण इन द मीन व्हाईल आतापर्यंत जे मंजू बोलली आहे आपल्याशी, हात धुणं ही क्रिया सुद्धा किती नीटपणे आपल्याला करायला पाहिजे हे तिने आता समजावून सांगितलं आपल्याला. खरोखर आपण घाईत असतो, कधी स्वयंपाक करायचा आहे, कधी वर्क फ्रॉम होमची कामं राहिलेली असतात, आपण घाईघाईमध्ये असे करून हात धुतो. नो मोर. व्यवस्थित मंजूने सांगितल्याप्रमाणे हात धुवा. तुमची अर्धी लढाई तुम्ही तिथे जिंकलेली असा. आणि ॲज शी सेड की आपण स्वतःच्या तब्येतीची काळजी तर घ्यायलाच पाहिजे. एस्पेशली आय वुड रिक्वेस्ट सिनियर सिटीजन्स जे आहेत, आपल्या स्वतःच्या तब्येतीची काळजी घ्या आणि काही मदत लागली तर खरोखर निसंकोचपणे सांगा. अख्खी सोसायटी आहे. जर का बाहेरून कोणी हा प्रोग्राम ऐकत असले तर पीपल आर देअर टू हेल्प यू. We are just trying to reconnect, Manju. Technical glitch. Okay, we are just trying to add her. खूप महत्वाचा विषय आहे. कधी कधी टेक्नॉलॉजी दगा देते ती अशी. आणि आता आपण ना सगळे डिजिटल वर्ल्ड मध्ये जगतोय, ऑनलाईन वर्ल्ड मध्ये जगतोय. जेव्हा आपण बाहेर जाऊ, आपापली कामं चालू होतील, तेव्हा सगळीकडे हे म्हणतायत की द न्यू नॉर्मल ही एक छान फ्रेज आता कॉइन केलेली आहे. द न्यू नॉर्मल वुड बी एव्हरीथिंग गोज डिजिटल. तुम्ही मीटिंग्स डिजिटली अटेंड करा, लेक्चर्स, शाळेची लेक्चर्स, कॉलेजची लेक्चर्स सगळं डिजिटली होत आहे, परंतु एव्हरीथिंग कॅन बी डिजिटल. जस्ट गिव्ह अस अ फ्यू मोमेंट्स, वी आर ॲडिंग मंजू. मंजू कनेक्ट होते तोवर आपल्या सगळ्यांच्या माहितीसाठी सांगते की शनिवारपर्यंत आपण ही फेसबुक लाईव्ह सिरीज करणार आहोत आणि आपण वेगवेगळ्या फील्डमध्ये म्हणजे सर्वात जो महत्वाचा विषय आहे तो ऑफकोर्स हेल्थ असल्यामुळे पहिले 2 सेशन आपण मेंटल हेल्थ आणि फिजिकल हेल्थ ह्याच्यावर घेतले. उद्यापासून जे आपण टॉपिक्स घेणार आहोत चर्चेला ते वेगवेगळ्या फील्डमध्ये ह्या लॉकडाऊनचा परिणाम काय झालेला आहे किंवा शॉर्ट टर्म अँड लॉंग टर्म दोन्ही, कारण वेगवेगळी क्षेत्र ही वेगवेगळ्या तऱ्हेने एफेक्ट होत आहेत आज, ते आपल्याला दिसतंय. तर त्याच्यावर आपण उद्यापासून सेशन घेणार आहोत. ओके. Okay. So I think we will do face to face. So we are live and Manju is with us. जे मी मगाशी तिला क्वेश्चन विचारत होते मंजूला, आपण याच्याबद्दल बोलत होतो, हाऊ टू एन्श्योर फिजिकल सेफ्टी व्हेन वी नीड टू स्टेप आउट.
Yes. So we need to wear mask. As I was saying, the first thing is mask, and we will talk about the importance of mask. So what happens is when you're talking about COVID, the virus basically, it spreads when a infected patient or person sneezes or coughs. So त्यांच्या तोंडाचे droplets उडतात. Initially they said it was 3 feet, then it became 6 feet, now it's even up to 10 feet. We really don't know the distance. So when those droplets come to you and you inhale those droplets, you would stand a chance of getting infected. So a mask basically protects you from getting from the droplets entering your system. So they have found out in studies that when 2 people wear masks and stand in front of each other or with each other, the chances of transmission of disease reduces by almost 70 to 80%. So wearing a mask is extremely important. The second thing is hand sanitization. The third thing is social distancing. Now, social distancing is not in our hands. Social distancing is not absolutely in our hands. It depends on the societies and the people's it depends on the people conforming to the rules. So you may be social distancing, but there is a second person who may just come near you and stand. So social distancing is actually not in your hands. What is in your hands is mask, hand sanitization. Don't touch your face with your hands on and off continuously when you're out. In fact, keep your hands away from your face so that anything that your hands touch don't go to your face. So these are the main things that you need to take care of when you are out. I think that sorts it out.
आपण यू टॉक्ड अबाउट मास्क, जे आता आपल्याला सगळ्यांना खूप वी आर गेटिंग यूज टू इट नाव, किंवा इट्स अ पार्ट अँड पार्सल ऑफ अवर लाईफ नाव. तर आर देअर डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ मास्क? कारण आपण N95 आणि 6 लेअर 3 लेअर खूप काय काय येतो. तर आर देअर डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ मास्क आणि हे आपण रियूज करू शकतो का?
Okay, so masks मध्ये I have a few things. First is one of these cloth masks, fabric masks. Okay, which we see a lot of people using now. Okay, then you have these masks, fabric masks only, but they have filters added in it. So the capacity of filtering the virus droplets becomes a little higher. Okay, I don't know the efficacy, but that's what they say. The third is the surgical mask, 3-layered surgical masks. Okay, and then you have the N95 masks and the N95 masks with the respirator. What the government of India and everybody is requesting is leave the surgical masks and the N95 masks for the healthcare workers and patient caregivers, because these masks are in absolute shortage, especially the N95. And these are the people who need it the most. For people otherwise, the cloth masks are sufficient. Okay, so now the surgical masks, both of them are disposable masks, but the cloth masks can be washed and reused. The filter masks have a little bit of, there is a restriction in the number of washes that you can have depending on the manufacturer. But these simple cloth masks, you can wash and reuse continuously. Unless and until you find a tear or a thinning out somewhere, then you please don't use those masks. Now, what you need to check for in a cloth mask is you hold it against light and see if you can see the fabric thread. If you can see the fabric thread, that means the pores and the holes, the weaving is loose. So that's not protected enough. In which case you need to add another layer of cloth and another 2 layers of cloth so that it becomes efficient in protecting you from any droplets. Or you use a material with a closed weave. Okay? Now, another thing that you need to see is when you're choosing this material is breathability. It won't help if you're going to suffocate in a mask. So when you wear a mask and you choose a mask that you really want to wear, you have to see that you can breathe in it. You don't want to go out on the road and keep pulling the mask down, pulling it up because you can't breathe, because that you lose the purpose of a mask. Okay? The next thing that you need to choose when you're wearing a mask is how much area it covers. Okay? So you need to see that it covers the nose. Okay? A mask that sits here is of no use. It goes below the chin and covers the chin. So a mask that sits here is again of no use. Okay? And these ties that go behind the ear or the tie that you tie is tight enough to give you a little bit of seal. Okay? So now I'll show you how to wear a mask. What are the protocols? What are the etiquettes when you wear a mask? When you go out on the road, how do you carry yourself with a mask? And how do you come back home and remove that mask? Okay? So the first thing is you need to use a hand sanitizer or wash your hands with soap and water. So your hands are clean when you're putting the mask in. So every time you touch a mask, your hands need to be clean. Okay? Then you pick up the mask. There is a metal clip usually on these masks. Okay, if there's a cloth mask which doesn't have it, that's fine. But some masks will have the metal clip. The metal clip goes and sits on the nose. Usually there's a lighter color and a darker color in a surgical mask. Of course, a cloth mask may not have that. Okay, the lighter color goes in, the darker color goes out. So you place the mask. Now you always never hold the mask like this. Okay, this is demo, so I'm touching it all over. The mask is always held with the elastic. Okay, you place it on your nose, put it behind one ear, put it behind the other ear, press this tight, pull this down, and you're ready to go. Okay? Don't leave home till you are comfortable with your mask. If you're not comfortable with your mask, you will go out in the next 2 minutes, you'll do this, you'll do this. These are completely avoidable because whatever droplets are coming, it's going to settle on this surface. And then you touch your hand over here, it's going to transfer on your hand. You're going to put it down to your neck, it's going to go onto your neck. Okay, so once you leave home, your mask remains like this till you come back. Okay, now the second etiquette is you don't keep touching your mask. So how do you do that? Because unconsciously we keep touching our face and kaitari naveen ahe, it's so new, it's so irritating sometimes, it's foreign. You want to keep touching this. So then I'll tell you something that we learned in our dental college. So when I was in third year, I entered the extraction department for the first time. There was this, my professor stood there and she said, now you want gloves? Keep your hands in front. Or you washed your hands, keep your hands in front of you, away from your body. So we used to be like this. Then she would say, clasp your hands. So we would be like this. And she says, now your hands are going to remain like this till you touch the extraction instruments, your patient's mouth, and this. That's it. Your hands are not going to go back, not on the side, not here, not there, not anywhere. So this pose prevents you naturally from unclasping all of a sudden. The minute you unclasp, you know you've done something. So you get into the awareness, okay, I've unclasped, I'm going to touch something. And you go back to this. So, you know, it's a humorous thing that now this is like praying. So as you go out, you protect yourself and you pray for yourself and pray for everybody. So remember this. Okay, go like this, go like this, go like this, no problem. But keep your hands in front, away from your body, where you can see it, where it's difficult to unclasp and move anywhere. Okay. Now, once you come back home, how are you going to remove this mask? Okay. So if there are these surgical masks, you need to dispose it off. But if you have a cloth mask, just prepare a warm water with soap or surf or any detergent. Okay. Wash your hands first. Do not touch your mask without washing your hands. Wash, sanitize your hands first. Then go behind the ear, remove. Go behind the ear, remove, and drop the mask into the water. And after half an hour or 1 hour of soaking, you can remove the mask and wash it and clean it up. So that's how you're going to take care of your mask.
Okay. I mean, क्या लहान लहान गोष्टी असतात. आम्ही आपले मास्क लावले आणि निघालो बाहेर. So for everybody out there who is watching this program, आता मंजूने जे दाखवलं मगाशी हँड वॉश कसा करायचा, मास्कचे एटिकेट दाखवलंय. दिस इज नॉट फॉर डेमो पर्पज. वी हॅव टू डू इट अँड वी हॅव टू व्हॉट वी हॅव लर्न फ्रॉम हर, वी हॅव टू डू इट थरली. आणि मंजू मजा येते हा, म्हणजे लाईक एव्हरीबडी इज नाव वेअरिंग मास्क. आम्ही बाहेर जातो मास्क घालून. स्युडो डॉक्टर खूप फिरतायत हल्ली बाहेर.
Should I tell you a joke?
हा, आय थिंक मंजू परत डिस्कनेक्ट झाली आहे. जस्ट आपण परत तिला ऍड करूया याच्यामध्ये. सो हँडवॉशचे एटिकेट्स, मास्कचे एटिकेट्स, पुढे काय काय एटिकेट्स आपल्याला शिकायला मिळत आहेत ते बघूया. बिकॉज दिस इज गेटिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. रोजच्या आपल्या रोज आपण ह्या करतो गोष्टी ज्या आपल्या अंगवळणी आता पडतायत. असं बघताना वाटतं काय सिम्पल आहे, हातच धुवायचे, बाहेर जाताना मास्कच तर लावायचं आहे. पण त्याच्या मागे किती किती काय काय असू शकतं आणि कुठे कुठे तो व्हायरस बसू शकतो आणि आपल्याला किती काळजी घ्यायला पाहिजे त्याच्यापासून ते लक्षात येत आहे आता मंजूशी बोलल्यानंतर. सो जस्ट अ फ्यू मोमेंट्स, मंजूला ऍड करतोय आम्ही. नो अरे ती आली होती.
Okay, so today we seem to having a network issue.
Looks like. ऐसा भी एक सेशन सही, ऐसा भी एक सेशन सही, ऐसा भी एक सेशन सही. Ultimately important is we have to be connected all the time.
I know.
Yes. मी आता तो डिस्कनेक्ट झाली होती.
So I was telling you, I was telling you this, that Purvi, when I used to walk on the roads, my patients wouldn't recognize me. Now when I walk on the roads with masks, everybody knows me. Because they're so used to seeing me with mask. So I'm probably the only person who's recognizable on the road.
I think ते ना कुठेतरी व्हॉट्सअपवर आलं होतं केरलामध्ये. दे आर प्रोड्युसिंग द मास्क, तुमचा फोटो त्याच्यावर प्रिंट करून. सो
Absolutely.
वन मास्क लीड्स टू सो मेनी बिझनेसेस.
Designer masks are in. That's the new way. Let's enjoy it.
लेट्स एन्जॉय इट ऍब्सोल्युटली. आपण मास्क बद्दल बोललो मंजू मगाशी बोलताना किंवा आपण बघतोय पण खूप ठिकाणी वी आर कन्फ्युज की आपण बाहेर जाताना हँड ग्लोव्ह घालायचे का नाही घालायचे, काय करायचं त्याच्याबद्दल?
See, hand gloves is not an essentiality because you can keep sanitizing your hands. The hand sanitizer carry ke liye you can keep sanitizing, you can come and wash. But yes, hand gloves are an additional protection. Okay, it gives you another layer before the virus can touch your skin. So, but hand gloves is not, I mean, don't be relaxed just because you're wearing gloves, you can touch everywhere. And you can touch your face, and you can touch your mask, and nothing, because the minute you don your gloves have the virus. Okay, and remember, gloves, the material latex or nitrile, harbors more organisms than your hand. So when you're wearing gloves, you have to be very careful that you are not relaxed, or you don't touch here and there and go back to your face just because you're wearing gloves. Okay, there's a lot of people who say that, wearing gloves, so gloves ghatल्यावर I don't touch my face, which is also, a group of people. A group of people just relax and say, I'm wearing gloves, I can do anything. So gloves, when you have these latex and nitrile gloves, these are disposable single-use gloves. Of course, you can sanitize them with 60% alcohol-based sanitizers, and काही होत नाही. But once you come home, you've got to remove these gloves and dispose them off. It is very, very difficult to wash these gloves and sanitize them and dry them and reuse them. So reusing these disposable gloves is a no-no. Then you have something like fabric gloves, which people tend to wear. Fabric gloves, again, you need to see the fabric, porosities kitti ahet, what is the weave of the material, So you need to have something that is relatively non-porous. So fabric gloves can be washed. And then you have those thick rubber gloves. But rubber gloves, you don't have the sensitivity and tactile sensation. Very, very difficult to use your hands with those rubber gloves. Second thing is, just because you've worn gloves, I've seen a lot of people pick up their phones. Gloves घातले, phone कानाला लावलं, काही केलं. No, because you're again contaminating your phone. And that's one thing I miss telling you all, ki phone to me, ह्याच्यावर लावा, use earphones. Don't take the phone when you're out. Avoid using your phone. And if you need to use your phone, don't take the phone to your ear. Because you're taking your hand to your face, and you're taking your phone which is being kept somewhere to your face. So use your phones if possible. That's a better thing. So with respect to gloves, again, I will sort of give you a small demo on how to wear your gloves and how to discard your gloves. Okay. So, yeah. तर हे तुमचे gloves असतील. Okay. So you hold the rim of the glove, this rim. Okay. These are skin gloves. So, it doesn't have too much of strength. Hold the rim and push your hand in. Okay. Again, hold the outer part of this and push your hand in. Okay. Yeah. Now you're using the gloves. You're doing whatever you want to do it. You want to sanitize it. How many ever times you can do it on when you're out. Now, when you come back home, okay, remember the outside touches the outside. Your hand touches only the inside. So when you remove your glove, you peel this off. Okay. And you don't go and touch this like this. With your bare hands, because you're transferring whatever organism virus is there on your hand. So you put your hand into the glove and pull it off. Okay. So the hand is always touching the inner part of the glove. The hand is never touching the outer part of the used glove. And then just drop it in a dustbin. So that's how you use gloves. Or if you have cloth gloves, you can use the same soapy water. आणि सोप करा आणि वॉश करून वापरा. Okay, so whether you use gloves or not, thumb rule is the same ki even if you are using the gloves, don't touch your face, don't touch your mask, mobile. So all those rules remain the same wherever gloves are concerned. Right. Okay. Ataparint Manju, you gave us the information about how we should take care of our health. So we spoke about washing hands and sanitizing our hands and everything. एक बेसिक प्रश्न जो सगळ्यांना पडतो की इफ वी वॉन्ट टू गो आउट टू अ डॉक्टर्स क्लिनिक, जेव्हा लॉकडाऊन आहे, लॉकडाऊन नसेल
तेव्हा वेन वी से अ न्यू नॉर्मल, तर जेव्हा क्लिनिक व्हिजिट करू आम्ही ॲज अ पेशंट, विल देअर बी एनी चेंज? एस्पेशली वेन वी आर व्हिजिटिंग डेंटल क्लिनिक्स, यू बिंग अ डेंटिस्ट आय एम आस्किंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन. तर तो वेगळं, ती वेगळी व्हिजिट कशी असेल? आय मीन ॲज अ पेशंट व्हॉट वी शुड एक्सपेक्ट?
Okay, so there are two things that are going to happen. The dental clinic itself, the way it functions and the equipment and what is happening in the dental clinic is going to change a little bit. There will be a new normal because dentistry असं आहे की तोंडातनं सगळं, we work in the mouth. There is a lot of water spray that is there in most of our procedures, and the water spray sprays out. Okay, so we need to protect. So because COVID is transmissible through the oral cavity, we need to protect ourselves, our assistants, our, the dental personnel who is working in there. And we also need to protect or take care of the patient who walks in after this patient, because we do not know who is COVID positive, who is negative. I mean, if you do not have symptoms, of course, there will be a check. But if you do not have symptoms, we don't know. So there is a lot of discussion that's going on across dental forums to really take care of all these aspects. And I'm sure all dental clinics will be ready to handle this kind of a situation by the time the lockdown is opened. So what we are doing is we're looking at, more stringent. I mean, cleaning protocols, fumigation protocols were always very stringent because we're working with saliva, HIVI, HBVI, it's always been stringent. But now with COVID, we're becoming a little more stricter, a little more, aggressive in our cleaning protocols and fumigation. Second thing is, a lot of dentists now, the clinics are investing in air purifiers with medical grade HEPA filters. Some of them are investing in negative ionizers or even UV light chambers, so that the dental clinic air environment is constantly cleansed and purified, and the viral load in the air, if at all it's there, is very, very minimal. Okay, so that is the second thing. And of course, the dentists are going to be donning protective gear, face shield, maybe not PPE, maybe PPE for some cases, maybe gowns, maybe, so you will see, a different, outfit around the dentist and the personnel. Okay, so, but that's going to be the new normal. And that's, I think we should all be okay with it. Another thing that's going to happen is, I think all the history taking and everything is going to probably shift to more of an online platform, so that, paperwork and interaction in these things which can be done on telephone will be minimal. Right now, for patients per se, right now, most dental clinics, especially in Mumbai, because we are in the red zone, are dealing only with emergencies. So doctors are available for teleconsultations. And if there's an absolute emergency, yes, we're opening the clinic. We're doing very, very minimal invasive procedure and taking care of the pain. That's right now. But as and when things ease out, we will start getting back to normal. But yes, the appointment schedules may be, the time between two appointments may be, a little longer than normal, because we will need to sterilize and, change and keep the clinic ready for the next patient so that there's no cross-contamination. So the number of patients that we take in may be a little lesser. For patients, I would suggest that, don't come in with too many relatives. If you can come alone, that's great. If you need a relative, just bring one. Don't crowd a waiting room. Don't walk in for an appointment. Just fix an appointment on phone, give the history and then come in, so that, we can maintain social distancing in the clinic. When there is a walk-in, it's very difficult to, clean up and maintain social distancing and do things. So these are small things that are going to change for patients as well. But I feel the main thing that I would like to convey is, see, the dental clinic is a fearful place for a lot of people, and we really take a lot of I wouldn't say effort, but we try to make you as comfortable as possible. So there will be some amount of fear factor when you come in, walk in, and see everybody in gowns and shields, like what you see in photos and TV and in media, with all the gowns and the face mask and all wrapped up. But I just want to tell you all that remember that this is for protection, for you, for me. Okay? But below all that gear and donning, it's just your friendly dentist who's taking care of you. That is not changed. So keep that in mind
Absolutely.
when you walk into a dental
Yes.
clinic.
I'm sure आपले सगळे व्ह्युअर्स आणि सगळे लोक when they come out and meet doctors, they will definitely remember this की really well said मंजू. एक आता मला लास्ट क्वेश्चन आहे. आपल्या
Right.
व्ह्युअर्सना माहिती असेल की नाही मला माहिती नाहीये, पण आय नो की गेली अनेक वर्ष मंजू हॅज बीन व्हेरी रेग्युलरली प्रॅक्टिसिंग मेडिटेशन. आणि आय थिंक तिच्या स्वभावात जो एक एक बेसिक शांतपणा आहे किंवा एक अशोरन्स तिच्या बोलण्यात नेहमी दिसतो, तो तिथून पण कुठून तरी येत असेल, हे माझ्यासारख्या नॉन प्रॅक्टिशनरचं ओपिनियन आहे. सो आय वुड लाईक टू आस्क यू मंजू दिस क्वेश्चन की दे से दॅट माइंड अँड बॉडी आर कनेक्टेड. तर आताच्या सगळ्या या सिच्युएशन मध्ये आपली फिजिकल हेल्थची काळजी घेताना हाऊ मेडिटेशन हेल्प ऑर डज इट हेल्प?
Okay. Meditation baddal, I would like to say that I'm a student. I'm a spiritual sadhak. I'm a spiritual student. And I will share, I mean, I'm not going to talk about techniques, ki kai karaycha kai nahi. But I will share with you what meditation actually means to me and what the journey is about. So, the thing is, we all have a lot of things going on inside, stored inside. It could be what our parents put in, what our teachers have put in, past memories, experiences, what's going on in office, future fears, the present worries, or some joyous moments, a lot of things, media, news, there's an explosion inside. I mean, there's a myriad of stuff going on inside the head. And I wouldn't say clutter, because whatever is in you is beautiful. But there is a lot of things inside. So whenever we interpret or react or, take action on a situation, all these things are what influences what we do and what we are. Okay. So we keep going back to those references, pulling out, and we keep going through the same cycle all over again. So even COVID, you would see somebody who's very happy sitting at home, and you would see somebody who's very frustrated and depressed sitting in the same situation, same thing. But you will see two different reactions, or you see a myriad of reactions that are actually happening around you. So what meditation is for me is when I meditate, okay, and I'm not talking about meditation as just as sitting in one place. But in meditation, what happens is there is something that is not relevant for me anymore that flows out of this clutter or this, this myriad of things. And when these things just flow off, and in that calmness and in that peacefulness, and these things go off, there is that small empty space that's created within. It's like, I liken it to your cupboard. At a kapatat, you have saris, you have this, you have that, you have stored it, and it's full of things, and things are just falling off, and you really don't know what to do with it. And then suddenly, one fine day, you realize, okay, this doesn't fit, this is not this. You remove 4 of those things and you give it away. Now you've got that space, and how happy that space makes you. And now you can think of reorganizing your cupboard, probably shifting things around, probably adding something new out there. Now that empty space gives you a choice. Beautiful, fantastic, brilliant possibilities, and millions of possibilities that can come up there. Okay? So that space is a fertile place where you can sow your seed and a plant will sprout over there. Okay, wonderful. So that is what meditation does for me. And then in that space, I can choose whether I want to be calm, how I want to react to the situation, how I want to deal with the future, how I want to plan things. Because that meditation allows that little bit of, things that are irrelevant, not needed for me to flow out. And something new, an empty space to be there for something to flow in back again. So that is what meditation does for me. And when I do this on and on, there are so many times every day that are empty spaces created. And when these empty spaces are created, there's always some enthusiasm, some adventure. Oh, now today I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And when you are enthusiastic, your body is enthusiastic, your physical health is enthusiastic, you choose the right food, you choose the right things, you choose the right words to speak, everything just falls in place. And when I say meditation, it's not just about, yes, I started my journey of meditation sitting calmly in one place, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and there are a lot of meditation techniques available online, which I'm really not going to go through. Whatever suits you is absolutely fine. But in my journey as a spiritual sadhak, that is not just the only meditation that's there. Okay? For me, meditation also happens in day-to-day activities and action. Things that I love to do. And when I say I love to do, I am not expecting any returns. I'm not expecting financial gains. I'm not expecting appreciation. I'm not doing it for anything. I am just doing something just because I love it. And there is no expertise and excellence in it. So you may be a fantastic singer and it may be meditative for you. I may be the most besura and worst singer and still may be meditative for me. Because it's something I love. I don't care how I sing or what I do. So it could be as simple as playing with kids, playing with your grandchild, reading a book, sitting outside the window and looking out, looking at birds, or, playing a game or talking to somebody. It could be anything. So what I feel is find those beautiful things that you love to do in life, and do them just because you love to do them. And when you do them, you'll see that calmness come into you and those empty spaces pop up. And then sitting for 15 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour silently is no big deal. But I always believe start with that. So for me, every day, this is what I do for meditation. Apart from just sitting, it's create those moments where I do what I really love to do, irrespective of how good I am or, what the world thinks of me. So that's my journey about meditation.
All right. So मेडिटेशन म्हणजे आय थिंक आपल्या व्ह्युअर्सना जे हे बघतायत प्रोग्राम त्यांना कळलं असेल, मेडिटेशन म्हणजे असं काहीतरी भयंकर कठीण आणि तुम्ही एकदम सिरियस सेवा करून बसायची गोष्ट नाहीये. किती सोप्या भाषेत मंजूने एक्सप्लेन केलं. डू व्हॉट यू लव्ह टू डू विदाउट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनिथिंग. आय थिंक दॅट इज द बिगेस्ट लेसन ऑफ लाईफ. डू व्हॉट यू लव्ह टू डू विदाउट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनिथिंग, सो विच गिव्स यू प्लेजर. हे खूप छान आहे. आणि आय थिंक सो मंजू, याचा अर्थ की वन्स यू गो इन टू दॅट मोड, तुम्ही आपोआप तुमचं शरीर, तुमचं मन त्या गोष्टी करायला ऑटोमॅटिकली यू गेट इन टू दॅट.
Automatically you start letting go of things that is not relevant to you anymore, that you've stored. Irrelevant things you're still keeping, and it's no use to you. You start letting those things go and you create those spaces for new things to come in. And that's how life becomes play.
Absolutely. So it has the direct, I mean, see, I think if you go into that particular mindset, meditative mode मध्ये तुम्ही गेलात, the byproduct is your good health.
Absolutely.
It shows,
Absolutely.
Gives you a result, in your good health. That is absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. आपण खूप असं फिजिकल पासून कशी काळजी घ्यायची, क्लिनिक्स मध्ये कसं जायचं, तिथपासून आपण मेडिटेशन पर्यंत आलो. व्हेरेवर माय क्वेश्चन्स वर कन्सर्न दे आर ओव्हर. आपल्या व्ह्युअर्सना काही विचारायचं असेल तर दे कॅन टाईप ओव्हर इट. नो डाऊट अबाउट इट. विल टेक दोज क्वेश्चन्स, मे बी 1 or 2. In the meanwhile, Manju, I would like to ask you a question. In fact, काल वर्षाचं सेशन जस्ट संपलं आणि वी गॉट दॅट क्वेश्चन. तर यू कॅन आन्सर दॅट क्वेश्चन, नो डाऊट अबाउट इट. कोणी एकाने विचारलं होतं की झोपेचं सगळं रुटीन बिघडून गेलंय या लॉकडाऊन पिरियडमध्ये, आणि ऍज यू सेड की प्रॉपर झोप नाही मिळाली तर आपली हेल्थ अफेक्ट होते. सो हाऊ टू गेट ओव्हर दिस प्रॉब्लेम वेन युअर एंटायर स्लीप पॅटर्न इज डिस्टर्ब्ड?
Why do you think it's disturbed? जसं एवढं न्यू नॉर्मल आहे, न्यू रुटीन्स आहेत. Think of this as your new routine. This is your new normal. And as you get more comfortable with accepting that this is your new normal, you will get back to your routine. You will form your routine. The more you resist this kind of a new thing, asं झालंय, तसं झालंय, you are going to keep struggling with it. Fine. Okay, you're sleeping less. This is your new normal. Chalo. After a few days, it will all get back to what you want.
ओके. That's what I feel. की मला 2-2 वाजेपर्यंत झोप येत नाही, मग मला की अरे बापरे ऑफिस चालू झालं की हे कसं, बिकॉज इफ आय स्लीप ॲट 2 मी सकाळी 7-7:30 ला उठते, मी लवकर उठू शकत नाही.
पण ऑफिस
मग
सुरू
तो
झालं की होईल. होईल. एन्जॉय द स्पेस ऑल्सो.
ओके.
That's what you need to do. Enjoy the space too.
सो ऍक्सेप्ट, काल वर्षाने पण सांगितलं होतं ऍक्सेप्ट. जास्त
Absolutely.
स्ट्रगल नाही करायचं, ऍक्सेप्ट इट द वे इट इज.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And you will start doing whatever is needed to be done.
ऍब्सोल्युटली. आत्ता तरी अजून आय मीन टिल नाव वी डोंट हॅव एनी क्वेश्चन्स येट पोस्टेड बाय द व्ह्युअर्स. सो एक रिॲक्शन आली आहे छान, छानदसीने आपल्याला छान रिॲक्शन पाठवली आहे. शी लव्ड युअर टेक ऑन मेडिटेशन.
Oh, thank you so much, Andasi.
आणि खूप छान छान पीपल आर सेंडिंग अस द इंटरेस्टिंग कमेंट्स. एस्पेशली एव्हरीथिंग, हँड वॉश, हाऊ टू वेअर अ मास्क, हाऊ टू वेअर ग्लोव्स, भाज्या कशा धुवायच्या काय वगैरे, व्हॉट एव्हर यू डिटेल्स यू टोल्ड अस. सो रुचीनी पण एक रिॲक्शन पाठवले. थँक्यू फॉर गिव्हिंग दिस इम्पॉर्टंट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट टेकिंग केअर ऑफ अवर हेल्थ अँड एव्हरीथिंग. सो दॅट्स
I'm glad.
इंटरेस्टिंग. So,
But I've never done this before, Pragati. I should thank you a lot for navigating me through this so easily.
I think I must thank you. We must thank you, शिवानंद सांस्कृतिक मंडळ. एकमेकांबरोबर वेळ काढत असतो, पण किती छान इन्फॉर्मेशन आपल्याला तिच्याकडनं, आपल्या मैत्रिणीकडनं मिळू शकते. डेली रुटीन मध्ये आपण गप्पा मारताना हे होत नाही. सो इट वॉज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपिरियन्स फॉर अस ऑल्सो, की आज आपण अशा या FB लाईव्ह फोरमवर गप्पा मारतोय, लोकांशी बोलतोय. वर्षाने रिॲक्शन पाठवले. एक्सलंट डेमो, परफेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन अँड थँक्स फॉर बिंग सो लवली अँड लाईव्हली. तो डेमो पर्पज फार जरुरी होता, पण इट इज नॉट फॉर डेमो पर्पज. वन्स अगेन आय वुड से टेल ऑल द व्ह्युअर्स, जे मंजूने दाखवलं, हात कसे धुवायचे, मास्क कसा, एटिकेट्स ऑफ मास्क एटिकेट्स, लवली टर्म, एक छान फ्रेज कॉइन केली. सो दॅट इज नॉट फॉर डेमो पर्पज. यू हॅव टू इनकल्केट. ते करा तिने सांगितलेलं, बिकॉज इट इज फॉर युअर बेटरमेंट. With this, Manju, we will end today's session. Thank you so much. खूप मजा आली, खूप छान वाटलं तुझ्याशी गप्पा मारताना. आणि टू ऑल अवर व्ह्युअर्स, उद्या आपण परत भेटतोय संध्याकाळी 6:30 वाजता. स्टे ट्यून्ड विथ अ न्यू टॉपिक. आपल्या सोसायटी ग्रुपवर मेसेज येईलच. सो उद्या अजून जास्ती संख्येने उपस्थित राहा विथ अन इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक टुमॉरो. थँक्यू. टेक केअर ऑफ युअर सेल्फ.
God bless and lots of love to everybody.
Bye.